What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Corolla Customs, and today I'm going to show you how to drain the transmission fluid out of your Chevy Avalanche, as well as changing the transmission filter. Hey guys, it's Ryan from Corolla Customs. Thank you all for joining me here today. If you are a new subscriber and you happen to land on my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification on top. And if you are a returning subscriber, like I know some of you guys are, I want to say thank you all for returning and watching my videos. Now, if you notice, I am wearing my new Chevy Avalanche tee, Live Life Off-Road. You can get these at CorollaCustoms.com. I will leave the link card in the video up here or up here, and all the proceeds of these t-shirts do go to St. Jude's Hospital. We're gonna help those kids get a second chance at life. So if you like it and you like the Avalanche, consider picking one up. Let's get started in this video. Items that you will need: 5 quarts of AC Delco transmission fluid, 3/8 ratchet, 2 torque wrenches that measure in inch-pounds and foot-pounds, a bird beak pliers, hammer, flathead screwdriver, pry bar, 10mm socket, 1/4 inch extension, 13mm socket, a swivel head, 3/8 extension, and a 3/8 extension with a 3/4 socket. I use a 13mm socket with a 3/8 ratchet and extension to loosen our bolts. For my convenience, I use an impact gun to remove all of my bolts. Leave some bolts on, threaded, to control the drainage of the oil. Next, we place our catch pan directly under the transmission pan, and we use a pry bar to gently pry the edge of the pan to separate it from the transmission. Remove the remainder of the bolts to drop the pan. Using a pry bar allows us to pry the shift linkage bracket out of our way to completely drop the pan. Here's our old pan, and here's our new dormant pan with a drain bolt. I remove and clean the 2 magnets from the old pan and place them into our new pan. These magnets are for collecting metal filings that may shave off to keep them from recirculating. Here's our AC Delco filter and transpan gasket. I will leave the link in the description below. We place our gasket on our pan for reinstallation. This transmission filter just pulls straight out. Careful, there will be excess fluid in here. We'll use a pick to make a dent in the gasket. Then we'll use our bird beak pliers to remove it. Careful not to scratch the aluminum. Remove our old gasket material and use some brake clean to clean any old oil off of our valve body. We take our new seal and insert it into our valve body. Then we use our 3/8 extension and our 3/4 socket and knock the seal into place until it is flush. We use our 10mm socket and our torque wrench to make sure that our valve body is torqued to 96 inch-pounds. We start from the inside out. Now we insert our transmission filter and snap it in place. Now we install our new transmission pan, grab a few bolts, and start threading them in.
Saw me. Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me?
Torque each bolt down to 15 foot-pounds. We remove our transmission dipstick, grab a clean funnel, and pour 5 quarts of transmission fluid in.
Is your head spinning too?
Finally, we start our truck and shift the gears. Shift into drive, reverse 1, 2, and 3. Then remove the dipstick and check your level. Make sure the level is at the quote mark. Then drive your vehicle and warm up the transmission and recheck your level with the engine running on a flat surface. It should be in between the edge parts that say hot. Add fluid if necessary. Alrighty guys, that is it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I know I did. I definitely enjoyed making it. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section below. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Hit that bell notification on top. And for my returning subscribers, thank you all again. I really appreciate y'all. And also, if you guys are interested in the Chevy Avalanche t-shirts, make sure you go to CorollaCustoms.com, pick yours up, and that proceed will go to St. Jude's Hospital. We're gonna help those kids get a second chance at life. So like I said, thank you all again for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Peace.